What's up, y'all? Welcome back to this show. Okay. Well, alright. The last video I was telling y'all that I haven't uploaded here on YouTube in a while. Okay, that was my ET calling, but it's too personal to talk about what was said. Okay. Oh yeah, I lock my door. But anyway, I want to let y'all know Dominoes 7 is back on YouTube uploading and stuff like that. I don't think I've uploaded on YouTube in a couple of weeks, I think, or a week or something like that. So on the serious side, folks, everything is okay. Okay, trying to cope with this stuff like that. Oh, I don't think I showed y'all already, but look at this. Jesus is my Savior. Okay, so my cousin Nitra made this for the family. Okay, so I think I'm gonna show my Facebook friends this. Okay, look at that. And I kept this too. I hope she have another one, something like this. You know, so. I sure would like to give Nala something like this. I'm sure she'll love something like this. Alright. So things been going good. Still sad about losing my mom and stuff like that. Even though we had our downfalls and stuff like that, you know. So I still miss her till this day. I'll try not to cry on my show like I did in my second season when I lost Barry Olivier, you know. So Barry Olivier, he was a friend of mine from New Iberia. Okay, so he passed away in 2012 unexpectedly because he was complaining about chest pains, you know. So that time, he made it to the hospital. So somebody told me this on Facebook. Okay, all right. So what happened was, about time they made it to the hospital, it was at Iberia Medical. Okay, out there in New Iberia, on the main road, I do believe. Yeah, out there in New Iberia. Okay. So what happened was he collapsed in the parking lot. I think I told my mama that, you know. So when I think about it, folks, you never know when somebody gonna pass, you know. I mean, I was shocked to the highest to hear about my friend, you know. Show some of his Facebook videos that he found and stuff like that. You know, so anyway, now back to my mom though. Okay, we had a good life. Gave us some board games, bought video games, and she even bought Donkey Kong Country, the first Donkey Kong game that I ever played. Okay, I mean, one time I played the Donkey Kong game and stuff like that. Well, Brandon was the first one. My oldest brother was the first one to play Donkey Kong Country. Every game we ever got, he was the first one to ever play. You know. So Donkey Kong Country 1, that was my favorite at first. I loved the water level. You know. So. Alright, so anyway, I love the water level, you know. I remember one time I hooked the game up in my mama room. Lucky me, she didn't caught me hooking up the game in her room that time, you know. So when my mama came home, I hurried up and cut that game off and bought the game back in my room, you know. So that was Christmas of '95 when I got the Donkey Kong Country with a Super Nintendo. So some of you know that back in the day they had a Super Nintendo with a Donkey Kong. You know, if y'all ever had got a Super Nintendo in a later time and it came with Donkey Kong Country, but some people back in the day, like in 1991 or 1993 or something like that, some of y'all got a Super Nintendo and it came with Super Mario World. Okay, Super Mario World 1. I mean, you know. So as I was saying, folks, got Donkey Kong Country, and then my mama bought Donkey Kong Country 3 when it first came out, you know. So I want to let y'all know something. The reason, I want to tell y'all the real reason why my mama bought that game, Donkey Kong Country 3 Dixie Kong's Double Trouble. Y'all want to know why? Because she liked that commercial. That's why she loved that commercial. I showed her that commercial about 2 years ago again on YouTube. Oh yeah, and you know what? Do y'all remember that commercial, Donkey Kong Country 3? When the camera's going close to this woman, and then when it's later turned around, it was a monkey face, or should I say, it was Dixie Kong. Yes, indeed. That's why my mama bought that game for us, because she liked that commercial. Christmas of 1996, when I woke up in the morning, and then I went in the living room under the Christmas tree. I picked up the present. It said to Brandon, Brian, and Brock from Mama. Okay. So when I looked at it, I opened up the present, and guess what? I was surprised. I was really, really, really surprised. I mean, it was exactly what I wanted. One of the exacts that I wanted. I also wanted Donkey Kong Country 2. I wanted Donkey Kong Country 3 again. I mean, Donkey Kong Country 1 again. Couldn't get it. So, what happened was, got that, and then my mama told me wait until Brandon and Brock wake up, you know. So with that said and done, I waited until he woke up. Brock woke up again. I mean, not again. Brock woke up next, opened up his other present. I don't recall what he opened up. Then Brandon woke up, got his radio. He opened up a radio. Yep. So I would have showed y'all it's the replica of the radio, but I threw it away because it was broken. Okay, the tape player don't even work. All right. I could have showed y'all something like that, but I threw it away. But that bin was gone long ago. But as I was saying, though, Brandon woke up, and then he had this radio, and then after that, Brandon took that game, and then he went put it on. So I walked back in the room. Oh, wait a minute, wait. Brock opened it up. It was a Simon pattern. Okay. I ain't gonna move no stuff. You know, the room is already clean though. You know, thank God for that. So as I was saying though, my Christmas was good. 1996. Christmas of 1997 was alright. Okay. Christmas of 1998 was the best. Okay. So My mom bought us Sonic 2 yet again. My mama bought Brandon a Sega Genesis in 1993 and bought me my old Nintendo in 1993. So, I thank the Lord, and I'm so happy that my mama made us happy those times. And also bought us a bubblegum machine, an M&M machine, them toy things I'm talking about, that you put candy and stuff in it. My mom bought us some Skittles. We put it in the M&M machine, not just for us to have, company to have too. So, you know what it was? God's blessing. You understand? To have a wonderful mom like that. But for some people that haven't had a good mom, I'm very sorry, you know. I'm very sorry that whatever happened in your past and stuff like that. I'm very sorry, because I feel for you, you know. So, some people have good parents, some people don't have good parents, you know. My mom bent over backwards all these years for us, you know. We had our ups and downs, we had our arguments, we had everything that possibly go on, but you know what? In the future, I may have a son that's going to get on my nerves. I might have a daughter that's going to get on my nerves, you know. So, alright, so, as I was saying, folks, I'm going to have children that's going to drive me. I already have a niece that drive me, you know. So, I know some of y'all watch my videos with my little niece and stuff like that. So, when I think about it, folks, my mom going to be truly missed, okay? So, that Super Nintendo behind me, right here, I got this also in 1999, okay? But I recently got it, I think Christmas of 2015, okay? No, I'm sorry, my mistake. Christmas of 2016, I meant to say. And I got that Sega Genesis Christmas of my birthday of 2016. Well, before that, you know. So anyway, on the serious side, my mom bought that for me Christmas of '99, you know. So on the serious side, folks, she gonna be truly missed, you know. Sometimes I get choked up, but sometimes I can't figure out what to say, you know. So, the way I think about it, folks, I miss my mom, and I'm sure some of the people from Liberia that knew her misses her too, like Miss Leslie, and you know, Tanya don't even know, cause she haven't spoken to me since 2014, and I don't think she damn know what happened to my mom, you know. So I kind of wonder how in the world Dominoes 7 gonna ever get in contact with Tanya. But I will go out there and see her, but I don't have time, because I have business to take care of. On my show, in my house, I'm here to my house now. So that's it. So thank y'all for watching this video, okay? If I have more to say, I'll be right back, okay? Thank y'all for watching. God bless y'all.